At ELCEE, we manufacture your products to the highest European quality standards with an optimized total cost of ownership. We deliver European quality, optimized costs, no copying risk, and secure logistics. How do we achieve this? You've developed a great product. Production costs can be optimized. Together with our engineers, we optimize your product design and specifications and transfer them to our fully owned production facility in China. There, we work with a large network of ELCEE-approved production partners. Each component is produced by a trusted production partner under strict confidentiality, without access to the complete product design or knowledge of the full assembly. ELCEE safeguards your intellectual property. The individual parts are collected and quality checked in our own factory, where we handle all sheet metal work in-house. Laser cutting, stamping, bending, and laser TIG and MIG welding. All assemblies are assembled according to European standards. Our factory operates under European management. It's staffed with over 50 highly trained local employees, has strict quality control policies, and in-house ESD-safe assembly for sensitive electronics. Once your products are produced and checked, they're loaded into sealed ELCEE containers and shipped directly to Europe, ensuring a secure and seamless supply chain. ELCEE Assemblies, combining intellectual property protection with European quality and cost optimization.